Welcome to the all-new Dahl Automotive Recon Center in Onalaska. This new facility is where we take your vehicle through a complete transformation, from service to spotless, ensuring it's in top shape and ready for the road. As we start outside, you'll notice the sleek, modern design of our building, built to house cutting-edge technology and expert technicians. Now, let's head inside. First stop, our fully equipped mechanic shop. Here, we have a full garage of cars on lifts, with our skilled team hard at work, ensuring every vehicle receives top-notch care. Next, we move to the cleaning bay, complete with high-powered pressure washers and detail vacuums, where every car gets the deep clean it deserves. Here's our 360-degree photo booth, where we capture every angle, giving customers the best visual experience of their soon-to-be vehicle. A quick glance at our parts warehouse and workstations, organized and ready to handle anything your vehicle needs with speed and efficiency. And for our team, we've got a fully stocked break room, complete with all the appliances for a well-deserved rest, and a clean, spacious locker room for comfort throughout the day. From service to shine, we've got it all here at the Dahl Recon Center in Onalaska. Stop by and see the difference our team makes in every vehicle, every day.